Alright people, welcome again to MG Sports TV. So finally, the JFF has released their squad which will be participating in the FIFA Women's World Cup. And we already know that there's going to be some huge sum of money that we'll be receiving from that. Certainly that would be beneficial to the development of football in Jamaica, specifically women's football in Jamaica. That's very, very important and an area that we need to touch on. Today is the final of the Jamaica Women's Premier League, and I will be showing that game on our channel live today. So make sure you tune in for that. Let's get straight to the meat of the matter. We're not here to waste any time. Oh, my apologies. Let me give a shout out to our channel members, Raymond, Aston, Ravan, Bennett. Those are the two channel patrons. We have the original Zilla, Jermaine, Sweeby, Rose Gold, David Beckham, Feather 5, Black Icon 40, Kyle Wallace from the Reggae Boyz Supporters Club, Lee Bell, Marsden Ricketts, Jamil Winter, Roko Reacts, Devon Hughes, Ira Link Up, Andy Ellisworth. My respect to you guys. You guys help me to keep the program going. Oh, and there's actually a new member. My sincere apologies. A new member. I do apologize for that. So let me get the new member up on recently joined, so which is actually quite nice. I love the fact that we have more persons joining the membership. And is Blair Video. Bless up Blair Video. Thank you very much for joining the membership as well. Alright, so let's get straight to the meat of the matter. No more waste of time, no more chit chat, no more chattering. I've done more than enough of that. Straight into the details. So let's have a look at the squad. Pretty much a good squad, I would say. Familiar faces. Happy to see Leah Brooks making the senior squad this time around, giving her that experience which is much needed. In goal, we have Rebecca Spencer, Sydney Schneider, and Leah Brooks. Those are the three goalkeepers going to the World Cup. I mean, I almost said goalkeepers. Goalkeepers going to the World Cup. We have defenders now. We have Alison Swaby, Chantal Swaby, the Swaby sisters, Connia Plummer, Denisha Blackwood, Satara Murray, Vian Sampson, and Tierney Wilshire. And happy to see back some Wilshire as well. Happy to see back Wilshire. Definitely. Let me scroll this up. So in the middle of the park, this is taking a while. In the middle of the park, we have Peyton McNamara from Ohio State. We have Drew Spence, Trudy Carter, Solia Washington. We have Jilisi Washington as well. We have Rachel Jones, Atlanta Premiers. Those are the midfielders. And as you know, the forward line always hot with the stars among stars. Khadija Shaw, one of the best female footballer at the present moment. Some people call her the female Haaland. We have Jodie Brown, we have Tiffany Camerons, we have Cameron Simmons, we have Kiki Van Zenten, we have Michaela Days, and Paige Bailey Gale. This is actually a really good squad. This is actually a good squad, a really, really good squad. And I know for sure that there's a lot of high expectations on our girls. I think there's tentatively some friendlies coming up. I'm really, really hopeful that we can get those games so that we can get the girls in that preparation mode and that mode that, hey, this is the World Cup. This is what we're getting ready for. Tough group. We already know the group that we're gonna be in, and we definitely hope that we can at least do something in this World Cup. So this is the moment where Khadija Shaw, her influence, her ability, her character will play a big part in this one. Anyways, people, this has been a good one. Certainly a bit of information on the Reggae Girlz. Their official squad has been released. Certainly looking forward to see what this World Cup has to do. I'm hopeful that we can at least better our last stint in the last World Cup. Anyways, people, please do smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Tell us what you think about the squad. Is this a good squad in your perspective? Who do you think we left out? Who do you think we could have brought with the squad? Certainly, I do believe that it is a generously a good squad. Happy to see Leah Brooks in it. Really, really happy to see Leah Brooks in it. So certainly that's a good one. Anyways, people, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. Until next time, people, MG Sports TV. And we are out. Boom.